No space, no luck, no fun. Wake up at 4:30 and work what seems like forever. The money is all that matters, though. Even if the work is deadly, the money is all that matters. Work was as hard as getting eaten by a tiger. We forced becoming deaf from my machine going off 24/7. And with those machines, we wove cotton for slaves. My hands feel like there are 1,000 needles in it. How would you feel? Working hours and hours in a compact place? It was basically like hell in a factory. Like Satan came just to torture us, and the only trace of God was the money. I can spend it whatever I want, but I still can't escape this feeling inside me. Pain. Oh, the pain. Not just physical, but mental. Pain of missing my family. My family haunts my mind every single day. All I want is to see them and get out. But the money is all that matters. Sometimes I just think maybe I should just run away and go back to them, but it's not worth it. Me. My family counts on me for the money. If I can't get it, they can't live in a nice house. I love them too much to quit this job because the money is all that matters.